Hello, guys. I'm just gonna get right to it. I know that y'all don't want to hear all that extra stuff. So right here we have a Wuhan 10-inch splash from early, like 2001, 2002, around there. That early splash versus this is a Wuhan Western style 10-inch splash as well. And I want you to hear the difference between it because I went everywhere, couldn't find no information, but hopefully this will help somebody out. 10-inch old school Wuhan. I really like the new Western style. This one sounds like a. Before I heard this one, I thought this one sounded good, but now this one sounds like a piece of metal or something. Like you, I don't know how to explain it. Over here I have the 6-inch Wuhan. I really like this, and over here I have 12-inch. I don't like that one too much. But let me put on the 6-inch just so you can hear it. I don't want this video to be too long. So just so you can, I really like how this one sounds. All right, guys, thank you for watching.